Our ownership and our leadership puts a high premium on investment, and we will continue to invest in the future of this business as time goes on. And once again, that's another great reason for someone to come join us here at County.
County Pre-Stress and Precast celebrates Careers in Construction Month and National Manufacturing Day by encouraging anyone looking for a stable and rewarding career to explore our opportunities in concrete manufacturing. We offer jobs requiring the use of high-tech machinery, critical thinking, and creativity, with positions ranging from hands-on production to technically skilled and management roles.
Show up, work hard, raise your hand every time an opportunity or a challenge is presented yourself. Make the people around you better. Keep a positive attitude. You do those things, success will find you.
At County Pre-Stress and Precast, we deliver concrete solutions for growing communities. Join our team and receive on-the-job training, competitive wages, and valuable benefits.
Find a company with its eye on the future, a company that is investing in its people, its processes, and its facilities. There are companies out there that are operating in our field that don't do those things, and the law of the jungle is such that they will eventually go away.
Our team of hard-working people are advancing their careers within our dynamic company and building stronger communities. Let's build our future together.